11 days until public schools in Rhode Island are set to reopen. This year, sanitation, a top priority. Keeping things clean, parents want to have peace of mind sending their children to class.
So what are schools doing to ensure coronavirus isn't lingering on surfaces? NBC 10's Ashley Cullinane gives us answers.
We want to make sure everybody's safe.
That's Anthony Feola, Director of Facilities and Security for East Providence Schools. He talked us through a demonstration of how they're disinfecting classrooms. Custodians in coveralls and face shields will use electromagnetic sprayers.
You can spray it on a desk, and not only does it hit the top of the desk, it wraps itself around. So you can just walk up and down and all the hard surfaces will be sprayed.
It's nothing new for East Providence. They've had these sprayers for several years, but now they have more.
Disinfecting all door handles, knobs, push bars, bathrooms. Once a classroom goes to the bathroom, the custodial staff will go in.
They'll do a deeper cleaning at night. In Providence,
extra sanitation of any high-touch surface, like a light switch, a doorknob, something like that.
The city will provide a cloth mask to every student, but they're asked to bring their own. A company also donated 20,000 face shields, which will go on top of masks for an extra level of protection for the eyes. And days of cafeteria lunches are gone, at least for elementary school students.
Most of those students are actually going to be staying in their classroom for lunchtime. We're bringing in boxed lunch, and they actually come with their own cleaning stuff. So the kids in that situation will be wiping everything down.
Schools in both cities will have isolation rooms for symptomatic students. They're separate from the nurse's office. According to state guidance, they must have adult supervision at all times and must maintain negative pressure like a hospital room through an HVAC system, exhaust fans vented outside, or HEPA filters. Back in East Providence, Feola says they have enough custodians to get the job done. Other larger school districts like Warwick are struggling on that front. Warwick wanted to hire more than 80 temporary custodians. They received just a handful of applications. The challenge is growing as we approach the first day of school in a year unlike any other.
It's totally different than anything we've ever done.
Ashley Cullinane, NBC 10 News.